expert. This is Paula White with Symmetrical Solutions.
Yeah.
Good morning, Paula.
Thanks for having me, Tommy.
Yeah.
Again, my name is Paula White, CEO of Symmetrical Solutions. We are a bookkeeping and CFO advisory firm that partners with 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs to help them feel confident within their financial numbers.
Excellent. Tell us a little bit about what a fractional CFO is. That's the big buzzword right now.
There's two technical pieces, that go along with the accounting aspect. One is the foundational bookkeeping function, which is absolutely necessary. The bookkeeper plays the role of a historian. They also ensure that you are compliance ready, making sure that all of your payroll and your sales tax and all of the documents that the IRS sets forth are going to be up to par, so that when it comes time to file your taxes, the historian, the bookkeeper function, gives you trajectory of what you did in the past. Their fractional CFO is really a strategic partner where they're going to come in and help you see where your business is going. Forward looking, they'll use tools like a cash flow forecast, a budgeted versus actual report, and it's really about setting the trajectory for where your business is going.
Okay. Business bring a CFO on?
Yeah.
Or a fractional CFO?
So generally speaking, a CFO can have an annual salary of close to $200,000 in benefits and everything if they are a full W-2 employee. So that's where the term fractional comes into place. Business owners can have different milestones of where they're at if they're in a very scaling, growth-oriented type of phase of their business. And there's principles that and tools that you can use. A lot of times your bookkeeping and your accounting staff can help with these as you're kind of scaling and growing.
It's like the biggest blind spot for small business owners before they bring on that fractional CFO.
It is a misunderstanding of how profit and cash are so related. So a lot of small business owners will focus on revenue as a vanity metric, and they'll say, I'm so large, this is what my revenue has been. But yet they don't realize that as fast as the cash is coming in, the cash is going back out the door. So truly understanding the direct correlation between profit and what it means for your business.
We see that even on the wealth management side with individual clients when we're looking at their personal finances. It's like, what's your age of money? That's a big buzzword, which is if you have income coming in, even if you're a high income earner or a business owner where you're bringing in a lot of business distributions, but if it's going right back out, it's like, how do you become profitable? How do you increase your overall net worth over time, whether it's personal finances or business?
Same concept, kind of knowing those percentages. Those percentages for a small business can translate to what we call profit margin that we use. Just having your numbers they only matter if you're actually going to look at them and make decisions that are supported by data. So
KPIs are you measuring?
Simple, we're going to be looking at year-to-date versus year-to-date current year versus prior year, budgeted versus actual. We're looking at how much your revenue is growing month over month. We're looking at your gross profit margin. We are also looking at your different expense levels as a percentage of income. We're looking at balance sheet ratios. We're looking at how much cash you are keeping. We are looking at your accounts receivable turnover, your AR aging. We are looking at all of the different financial metrics that turn into places where we're saying, are these changes causing us to spend more money more quickly, or are we leaving money on the table?
A fractional CFO help the company improve their overall cash flow.
Yeah. So I have one client right now. They are 7-figure 2-location hair salon. So they were in this point of having significant amounts of debt service because they've taken out some of those merchant capital advance loans, which are very easily attainable for business owners to get through their payment processor like Stripe or Square. So on paper, it looked like the business was very profitable, but when it came to their managing of their cash flow, they were experiencing overdrafts in their account. Making payroll was a struggle because there wasn't enough money in the account. So we laid out how much their debt was, what their monthly debt service was, and we laid out the timing of when everything was coming out of the account. 6 months, we broke down the profit. We started with bookkeeping and we focused on looking at revenue by cost center and profit center. And then we structured all of the cost of goods sold, labor costs, so they could really hone in on what margins were. And, 6 months in, we're starting to see improvement with the client, and
What type of clients are you looking for? What kind of like businesses?
So at Symmetrical Solutions, we partner with business owners. First of all, we want to make sure that they're coachable and they want to advocate for change. It starts with the CEO stepping in and saying, I have a responsibility and I'm willing to make the tough changes. We have a little bit of a special niche in the premium health, wellness, and beauty space, which includes Pilates studios, yoga studios, med spas, salons. We also work in construction, professional services, attorneys, doctors, like kind professionals. But we really want to also support the female entrepreneur who is wanting to grow and scale their business so that they can leave a generational legacy for their children.
If any of our clients wanted to reach out to you, how would they get a hold of you?
You certainly could reach out to me via LinkedIn. You could reach out on our website. We have an inquiry form. We also can take emails. My email address is paula@symmetrical-solutions.com. You could also reach out to a text message on our dedicated line, 616-951-5455.
Paula, thank you so much for your expertise and coming in and talking with our clients.
Thanks for having me, Tommy.